good morning, good afternoon, and good night. It is day 2 with the in-laws. And today's going to be a long, fun-filled day with just the in-laws. We're going out on an adventure, but first, my brother-in-law girlfriend wake up and she made a bunch of breakfast for us. I'm gonna show you all the yumminess that she made. Like I told you earlier that she's a baker. Dis bonjour. Hello. This is her son. Tyler. Say morning, Fibs. Tyler. Tyler. Say morning, Fibs. Say morning, Fibs. Right, and babe just have the wake up face. Wake up face. He can't even open his eyes. Say YouTube. So my girl woke up and she make breakfast. My brother-in-law is still sleeping. I'm gonna show you guys all the things that she made for us. He loves the camera, can you tell? What happened? What you doing under there? Who are you hiding from? Who are you hiding from? I thought you said taking 5 minutes. Breakfast. So she made pancakes, and I think that's yogurt, and cereals, and fruits, and orange juice, and I'm not sure what kind of cake is this, but she'll tell me what kind of cake. Manu, c'est quoi le gâteau? Penny What is that for you? Penny piece is like a type of bread. Oh, yes, Ty. Yes, you're gonna sit right here. Here. No. Okay. Yes, you can eat it.
Oh, des amandes.
Tyler.
La poudre d'amande. Ça, j'aime pas par contre.
You see?
Hey,
hold on, Tyler. That's breakfast. And she said this is a type, babe says like a type of bun. And there's fruits over there. And there's jam.
Mais c'est pour toutes les fois.
Jules coming, he's coming. Because my brother-in-law is making lunch. He's grilling sausage. Sausage.
Par contre, bébé, je vais peut-être aller à l'hôtel vite fait là.
Quoi faire?
On n'a pas de dessert, on n'a rien. Hein.
Nous, ça nous va.
Ouais.
Nous, on peut avoir des desserts.
Sinon, je vais en chercher. Hein.
Nous, ça nous va très bien.
Je vais chercher des melons.
Non.
Là, c'est pour toi.
Non.
Oh, c'est bon, on va comme ça.
Thailand, you're playing.
Non, pas avec les mains.
And Mama's setting the table. She's gonna make fries in the fryer here. And it's a very sunny day today. It's hot today. Very hot. So hot. We have to put the umbrella out. Tyler! Papa said don't do that. You stop.
Après, ils la font halal maintenant, donc.
Hungry belly, Tyler. Love his fries.
Ouais.
Non, c'est pas aussi.
Avec le
parasol.
Avec le parasol. Je pensais l'avoir rentré jusqu'à l'année prochaine.
Wow! Lots of duck. Oh my gosh, the sun is in my eyes. I can't even look at you guys. And I have no sunglasses, you guys. We left my brother-in-law, we had lunch, and our stomach is full. And now we're on to the adventure. My brother-in-law is actually looking parking, so we're here. We're at the dinosaur. What they call it? Dinosaur what, babe? What they call it? Dinosaur. Dinosaur East? Yeah, but what would you call it? Dinosaur Mountain, Dinosaur Tour, what? We're at the dinosaur park, and Tyler is pretty excited because the dinosaur actually look like a real life-size dinosaur. So that should be awesome experience for Tyler. I'm looking forward to see the excitement with each dinosaur because you guys know that Tyler is obsessed with dinosaur. So we're heading to the dinosaur park. Ty, you ready to go see dinosaur? All right, let's go. We can already see dinosaur from here. You guys see this one? He's huge. Yeah, see him. He's big. Wow. So we are going on the, it's like a trail. Yeah. Go. So this vlog will be a pretty exciting vlog because we'll be seeing dinosaurs all along the tour. So Tyler will be so excited to see them all, and he's gonna point them out and show you them. So it's a little bit windy, so it's chilly. Oh, it's cold, huh? Zip it. That's better? Yeah? Wow, look at that one. Tyler, look at that one. What? That's T-Rex.
Regarde. Viens, il y a le soleil maintenant. Plus doucement quand tu cours. Il y a Tyler qui a couru derrière toi. C'est bon. T'as vu, il est gros, hein?
That's the first one we saw. I think that's T-Rex. Whoa! Who is that?
It's a T-Rex.
Yeah! Go! What?
Regarde ce qu'il y a dans l'eau.
Tyler, what's that in the water?
Look at that.
Wow! So we're at the Dinosaur East. That's what is that's how it's pronounced. So we're at the Dinosaur Island. Okay, soif? Tu as? Wow, Tyler, look over there. You see? Tyler, look down there.
Tu vois?
You see? Look where Tata's showing you.
Il a une grande.
All the way down.
Et regarde, il y a une dinosaure.
Le 10 mètres d'eau. Ah, 10 mètres bien.
The landscape is so beautiful with all the rocks. So pretty. A lot of people along the trail.
Jules, descends là.
Jules,
Ça va finir à l'hôpital. Je vais pas à l'hôpital ici, moi.
her son has so much energy. Listen, I don't know how she keep up with him, but he has so much energy. He's afraid of my brother-in-law. Wow, you can see better from here. Look at that one in the water. Cool. Tala is so excited. He's having so much fun. You don't want to touch him. Tala, look! He's your friend! You're afraid of him? She doesn't want to touch him. Wow, look at that big one. He's gonna touch this one. He's gonna touch this one. Touch him, Ty. Touch him. Touch him. Look. Yeah.
Elle est méchante, Tata.
Yes, Ty.
Moi, j'y vais.
Ty, look.
J'y touche.
Tell her he's your friend.
Oh, gentil, le dinosaure.
Tyler is so excited, I can't keep up with him. Whoa, Ty, look! Wow! Look at this one! Tyler, look at Mama! Tyler, look at Mama! Ty! Look at Mama! You wanna touch him? Touch him! Touch his tail! You wanna touch his tail? Or his foot? Don't go in the picture. Touch him, Ty, touch him. Wow. Say hello, friend.
Oh, il y a tes copains.
Wow.
Il y a tes copains.
Look at his face.
Ouais, j'ai vu. Et t'as vu, il y a tous tes copains là-bas.
Touch his tail, Ty.
Ouais, non, ça va marcher. Ouais.
Ah. Oh my gosh.
Tu vas pas lui faire un petit coucou avec ses dents? Non? Tu veux pas lui brosser les dents?
Go touch the teeth. Go touch it. He's just gonna move on to the next. They eat grass? Yes. Wow. Tyler, you touched that one? He's your friend?
T'as vu celui-là?
Touch him again for Mama.
Regarde celui-là. Eh, regarde. Regarde.
Wow.
Tu veux faire?
Tyler, you see?
Non, non.
Yeah.
Le moins.
He's having a blast. Wow, Ty, look at this one. Ty, he's big. So because I'm following up Tyler, I really can't get to read what all the plaque says. Babe just told me that most of these dinosaurs, a lot of their remains were found in this area of France. So I guess that's why it is created into a dinosaur island. Il veut quoi?
Il veut boire, goûter.
Ah, joue dans mon sac.
Mélissa, là, dans ton sac, dans son sac. Dans la grande?
Oui. There's another one here.
Avec la langue.
Pretty cool.
Lui, il a trois doigts.
Quelle couleur ses
Comme
yeux?
ça, les doigts.
Wow.
Ils sont verts. Ils sont verts. Ils sont verts et noirs. Ils sont verts.
Celui-là, il est pas très grand, mais par contre, on ne peut pas l'avoir en face. Surtout s'il fait cette taille-là. Celui-là, il est pas sympathique.
Celui-là, il cherche leur noisette.
It's a dinosaur. But touch him, Ty, touch. Touch him, Ty. Yay! Look at this view. Tyler is really on a vacation. Come, honey, take a picture of me, right? Yeah.
Ouais, sauf que si tu tombes, il y a taille vert et sec. Donc tu vas leur faire un coup. Ouais.
Wow! Tu vois? Écoute maman.
It's a big dinosaur. And what's he going?
Where is it going?
I don't know.
He's going to look around in the bushes.
Hello.
Il est quelle couleur?
Ses yeux et du vert.
Ouais. Et tout son corps, il est quelle couleur? Il est un petit peu orange, un petit peu marron et un petit peu noir. Alors sa maman? Par rapport au baby.
Et le papa, il est gros.
Le papa, en fait, je pense que c'est que la maman, tu vois.
Les filles c'est grosse et les
Ça, c'est-
gros, grosse et gros.
Les mamans, c'est grosse et les papas, c'est gros.
Ok.
T'as vu? Gros, hein?
Wow, Ty, look at this one. This one is huge.
Regarde, on va aller voir ses yeux.
Wow. Tyler, you have this one at home.
Hop là. Allez, grimpe.
Get it, Ty, get it, get it, get it, get it, get it. Yeah.
Bon, les bars, a priori, sont pas à proximité. Hein. On entend.
Bravo! Jill and Tyler ended up at the park because there's a park where the dinosaur is. So they're just having a little fun before we head up.